Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna show you the ways to remove text from video on VN app. So in order to remove text from video on VN app, you have to follow the steps. First of all, what you can do is go ahead and open up the video editing app, and when you open up the particular application, then you could go to edit section, and from here you could go ahead and tap on new project. Let me just go ahead and select project, and when you locate the project, then you could go ahead and tap on it and click on add. As you do that, you'll be able to see this sort of page. So when you actually see a watermark or a text, then what you can do is you could go ahead and resize the video. So what you can do is you could just go ahead and swipe up, and you could just resize the video, and that should be able to hide or remove the text from the video on VN app. And likewise, that's not helpful or it's causing some sort of issues, then you could also go ahead and use a blurring tool. So on that page, what you have to do is you could go and tap on the edit button, or you could go ahead and select the tools right at the bottom that says effect, and here go ahead and tap on video effect and type in blur. And when you locate that, you could go ahead and use the blurring tool on a specific area where the particular watermark or text is there, and you could do that, and that should be able to remove your text from video. So in this simple way, you could go and remove text from video on VN app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.